Hi, I'm Nathan with Residential Warranty Services, and I'm the creator of SewerGard. You will find this available with thousands of home inspectors throughout the U.S. and Canada. And sometimes the question we get asked, because this has a total coverage of $4,000, $2,000 between both types of lines. You got your sewer line and you got your water lines, underground between the house and the street. And if there's ever been a criticism we've gotten, it's that, well, gosh, what if the sewer repair cost more than that? And let me tell you, I can count on one hand the number of times that the actual required repair has been more than $2,000 or $3,000. It just doesn't happen. The $17,000, $25,000 quotes that you get, those are very retail, and sometimes they go overboard. And I can prove it. And I can prove it from a state where it's not necessarily cheap to do underground water lines. Brian Fish with Win Home Inspection in Washington State had a client move in. His name is Dave. He's in, and I always butcher the city names in Washington State. I'm going to call it Ana Cortez, maybe, Washington. Moved in, had all of his toilets back up. Everything ran fine at time of inspection. Nothing he could do differently. And sure enough, his line was broken underground between the house and the street. And in this case, our claim was for a full $2,000. Keep in mind, there's a $300 deductible on the policy. The total bid was $2,441.25. Let me tell you what all that included. That included the parts, including the equipment, pipe fittings for the side sewer repair. It included cut and removal of concrete to replace the side sewer to the street. Also, work in the crawl space to replace fittings. So there you go. If, by the way, let's just say that the cost of a repair of a sewer line was more than $2,000, which it's not. Even if it were, if you don't have a SewerGard policy with your inspection, your coverage is zero, and that we do know. Give Brian a call, Brian Fish with Win Home Inspection in Washington State, or if you're looking for an inspector that offers SewerGard coverage free with every inspection to prevent a disaster for your clients, send me an email, nathan@nathan.tv.